Macronutrients are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbon was discovered by Priestley in 1800. Plants' usable form of carbon dioxide. Nitrogen was discovered by Theodore D. Saucer in 1804. Have 1 to 6% of nitrogen by weight. Exist in soil in two major forms. Organic nitrogen 95 to 98%, inorganic nitrogen 2%. Inorganic nitrogen in anionic form NO3 minus aerobic soil, in cationic form anionic form in soil solution, and in cationic form NH4 plus in anaerobic soil in exchangeable forms on colloidal particles. Organic nitrogen mineralized to inorganic form as plants can't utilize inorganic forms. Can't utilize organic forms. Organic nitrogen have 95 to 98% of nitrogen. Inorganic nitrogen have 2% of nitrogen. Inorganic nitrogen in two forms, anionic forms and cationic forms. Anionic form NO3 minus nitrate is occurred in aerobic soil, and cationic form NH4 plus is occurred in anaerobic soil. Example in rice. Can be lost by ammonia volatilization or leaching or denitrification. This cationic form. In exchangeable forms on colloidal particles, cationic forms. Exchangeable forms on colloidal particles can be lost by ammonia volatilization or leaching or denitrification. Phosphate ions depend on soil pH. Phosphate was discovered by Sprengel in 1839, second most abundant mineral element, more than 20% of body's mineral. Phosphorus is available in the form of organophosphates. Organophosphates are like H3PO4, H2PO4 minus, HPO4 2 minus and PO4 3 minus. H2PO4 minus and HPO4 2 minus are the most common forms. Soil pH slight to moderate acidic soil. HPO4 2 minus soil pH neutral to slightly alkaline soil, and H2PO4 minus higher soil acidity. H2PO4 minus higher soil acidity, HPO4 2 minus neutral to slightly alkaline soil, and H2PO4 and HPO4 2 minus slight to moderate acidic soil. Phosphorus is the second most abundant mineral element. Phosphate ion depends on soil pH, discovered by Sprengel in 1839. Occurred in more than 20% of body's mineral. Then potassium. Master cations and cations for anions, discovered by Sprengel in 1839. So potassium is also called as master cations or cations of anions. Luxury consumption means plants can take potassium at abundant amount without any toxicity. So potassium element is unique. It causes luxury consumption. Potassium balances negative inorganic nitrates and organic carboxylates in plant cells. Univalent cation, largest concentration in cell sap. So potassium balances the negative inorganic nitrates and organic carboxylates. Balance negative inorganic nitrates and organic carboxylates in plant cells. It is univalent cation. K plus is the univalent cation, largest concentration in cell sap. Organic carboxylates. Calcium and magnesium was discovered by Sprengel in 1839. Sulfur was discovered by Sachs and Knopp in 1860. SO4 2 minus is the plant's usable form, fourth major nutrient after NPK in India. NPK then S. Sulfur is the fourth major nutrient in India. Micronutrients chlorine, discovered by T.C. Brogger et al. In 1954, not affected by any soil property. Then iron, discovered by E. Grease in 1943. Two forms of iron are there, two oxidation states, Fe2 plus ferrous and Fe3 plus ferric. Ferrous is taken up by plants. Which type of iron form is taken up by plants? Ferrous ion, Fe2 plus. Then manganese was discovered by J.S. M.C. Hargu in 1922. Mn2 plus is the plant available form, two oxidizable forms of manganese, manganese 3 and manganese 4. Then boron was discovered by K. Warrington in 1923. Most available form by plants is boric acid, H3BO3, mainly absorbed in this form. H2BO3 minus, HBO3 2 minus, BO3 3 minus, absorbed in high pH. H2BO3 minus, HBO3 2 minus, BO3 3 minus are absorbed in high pH. Then zinc was discovered by A.L. Sommer and C.P. Lippmann in 1926. Plant available form is Zn2 plus. Zinc can form zincate ions in high pH. Zinc can form zincate ions in high pH. Which type of ions? Zincate ions. Then copper was also discovered by A.L. Sommer and C.P. Lippmann in 1931. Plant available form is cupric ion, Cu2 plus. Cu2 plus or cupric ion is the plant available form of copper. Then molybdenum was discovered by D.I. Arnold and P.R. Stout in 1939. Plant available form is molybdate, MoO4 2 minus. MO6 in oxidative condition, reduction to MO5 and MO4, reductive condition. Oxidative condition is MO6, reductive conditions is MO5 and MO4. Nickel was discovered by P.H. Brown and R.M. Welch, E.E. Carey. P.H. Brown, R.M. Welch and E.E. Carey in 1987. Plant available form is nickel 2 plus. Two types of oxidation states are nickel 1 and nickel 3. Then macronutrients, nitrogen fix atmospheric carbon dioxide as carbohydrates. Contains chlorophyll in solar energy. Have DNA, RNA, nucleic acids. Increase amino acids. Which type of amino acids are increased by nitrogen? Proline, glycine, glutamic acid, aspartic acid, leucine in grains. Nitrogen fix atmospheric carbon dioxide as carbohydrates. Contains chlorophyll in the solar energy. Have DNA, RNA, nucleic acids. Increase amino acids, proline, glycine, glutamic acid, aspartic acid, leucine in grain. Phosphorus, ATP and ADP, energy currency of plants. Phosphorus causes biosynthesis of cellulose, hemicellulose, proteins and pectins. Phosphorus causes biosynthesis of cellulose, hemicellulose, proteins and pectins. Potassium, opening and closing of stomata. Photosynthesis, nutrient transport by xylem. Plant cooling. In its deficiency, reduce translocation of nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium and amino acids. Increase drought tolerance. Cytoplasmic pH is 7 to 8. Potassium activates more than 60 enzymes. Example, starch synthetase, nitrate reductase. Nitrate reductase is protein forming. It increases the shelf life of fruits and vegetables, reduce lodging of crops, increase winter hardiness of crops and disease resistance. Potassium is chemical traffic policeman, maintains ion homeostasis, osmotic balance and physiological processes of plant cells. So many functions of potassium: opening and closing of stomata, photosynthesis, nutrient transport by xylem, plant cooling. In its deficiency, translocation can be reduced in case of nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium and amino acid. Potassium can increase drought tolerance. Cytoplasmic pH is 7 to 8 and activates more than 60 enzymes like starch synthetase, nitrate reductase. Nitrate reductase is protein forming. It increases the shelf life of fruits and vegetables, reduce lodging of crops, increase winter hardiness of crops, disease resistance. Potassium is called chemical traffic policeman, maintains ion homeostasis, osmotic balance and physiological process of plant cell. Which type of element is called chemical traffic policeman? Potassium. Calcium in seeds. Calcium is occurred in seeds in the form of calcium phytate. It neutralizes acidic molecules of phosphoric acids like citric acid, malic acid, oxalic acid. It is a main product of mitosis. It activates ATPase and amylase. So calcium in these seeds, calcium is found in the form of calcium phytate. It neutralizes the acidic molecules of phosphoric acid like citric acid, malic acid, oxalic acid. It is found in mitosis, activates ATPase and amylase. Magnesium porphyrin ring with one atom of magnesium bound to 4 pyrrole rings. One atom of magnesium porphyrin ring head and bound to 4 pyrrole rings in chlorophyll. Magnesium is used in carbohydrate metabolism, sugar movement in plants. Carbohydrate metabolism and sugar movement in plants is caused by magnesium. Then sulfur, constituent of cysteine, methionine amino acid. Ferredoxin, constitute of ferredoxin in nitrogenous enzyme, biological nitrogen fixation and electron transfer. Vitamins, biotin, thiamine, coenzyme A, synthesis of glucosides in mustard oil, increase oil content in oilseed crops. So sulfur, constituent of cysteine and methionine amino acids. In which type of amino acid sulfur is found? Cysteine and methionine. Constitute of ferredoxin, that contains nitrogenous enzyme. Nitrogenous causes biological nitrogen fixation and electron transfer. Sulfur is also constituent of vitamins, biotin, thiamine, coenzyme A. Synthesis can be used in synthesis of glucosides in mustard oil. Used in the synthesis of glucosides in mustard oil, increase the oil content in oilseed crops. Micronutrients, iron, activates aminolevulinic acid synthetase. Two protein groups are there. Hemoprotein have iron porphyrin complex and FES protein thiol group of cysteine. So micronutrients, first is iron, that activates an enzyme that is called aminolevulinic acid synthetase. What is the enzyme that is activated by iron? Aminolevulinic acid synthetase. Two protein groups are there. Hemoprotein have iron porphyrin complex and FES protein thiol group of cysteine amino acid. Thiol group of cysteine amino acid. Then manganese. Manganese activates water splitting enzyme of photosystem 2, used in TCA or tricarboxylic acid cycle. Which type of element is used in TCA or tricarboxylic acid cycle? Manganese. It is used in oxidative and non-oxidative decarboxylation. Constituent of manganese SOD enzyme, superoxide dimutase. So manganese activates an enzyme, water splitting enzyme of photosystem 1, photosystem 2. It is used in TCA or tricarboxylic acid cycle, used in oxidative and non-oxidative decarboxylation. Constituent of manganese SOD enzyme. SOD means superoxide dimutase. Then zinc, form IAA indole acetic acid, GA3 gibberellic acid and RNA nucleic acid. Membrane proteins, integral part of membrane proteins, translocate phosphorus in the plants. Which element translocate phosphorus in the plants? Zinc. Zinc translocates phosphorus in the plants. In case of deficiency of zinc, leads to phosphorus toxicity. Have three types of enzymes. Activates three types of enzymes: carbonic anhydrase, alcoholic dehydrogenase, superoxide dimutase. So zinc is found in case of IAA, indole acetic acid, GA3 gibberellic acid, RNA nucleic acid. It is an integral part of membrane proteins. Deficiency, it translocates phosphorus in plants. Deficiency of zinc leads to phosphorus toxicity. It activates three enzymes: carbonic anhydrase, alcoholic dehydrogenase and superoxide dimutase, SOD, superoxide dimutase. Then copper. Copper increase the fertility of male flower. Found in plastocyanin of photosystem 2. Copper increase which type of element increase the fertility of male flower? Copper. Found in plastocyanin of photosystem 2. Then molybdenum, used in biological nitrogen fixation or BNF, activate nitrogenous enzyme, develop pollen and anthers. Molybdenum used in biological nitrogen fixation, activate nitrogenous enzyme and develop pollen and anthers. Boron, pollen germination and pollen tube growth, drought resistance by boric acid, transport potassium ions in guard cell wall formation and stomatal opening. So potassium or K plus ion in guard cell is transported by which type of element? Boron. Boron is used in pollen germination and pollen tube growth, drought resistance by boric acid, H3BO3, transport K plus ions in guard cells, stomatal opening and used in cell wall formation. Then chlorine, osmoregulation in plant cells. Chlorine is the cofactor in manganese containing water splitting enzyme of photosystem 2. Chlorine is used in osmoregulation in plant cells. Chlorine is the cofactor in manganese containing water splitting enzymes of photosystem 2. Nickel, nutrient transport to seeds or grains, increase hydrogenase in free living rhizobia and increase urease activity in nitrogenous metabolism. So nickel, nutrient transport to Seeds and grains increase the hydrogenase enzyme activity in free living rhizobia. Which type of enzyme? Hydrogenase enzyme is activated by nickel in free living rhizobia. Increase urease activity in nitrogen metabolism. Then burning means scorched appearance. Deficiency symptoms and toxicity symptoms of elements. First is nitrogen. Stunted growth, dark green foliage, reduced flowering, reduced protein content. Claw leaves turn green to pale yellow discoloration. No head formation in cabbage. V-shaped chlorosis of older leaves. So in case of nitrogen deficiency, no head formation in cabbage and V-shaped chlorosis in older leaves. Then phosphorus, older leaves increase found symptoms in older leaves, increase carbohydrates, leaves dark green, bronzing of leaves, reddish purple tips and leaf margins due to anthocyanin synthesis. In case of phosphorus deficiency, there is synthesis of anthocyanin pigment. Phosphorus deficiency, synthesis of anthocyanin pigment. Potassium symptoms first appeared on older leaves, chlorosis on leaf margins, scorching and browning of leaf tips, increased lodging, slow and stunted plant growth, shriveled seeds and fruits, reduced keeping quality of fruits and vegetables, reduced cell turgidity, leaf tip and margins necrosis. So reduced leaf turgidity. Reduced leaf turgidity is the deficiency symptom of which element? Of potassium. Cell turgidity. Calcium, first symptoms appear on young leaves, stunted roots, cup-shaped and crinkled leaves. Toxicity is rare. Toxicity, in case of toxicity of calcium, reduce magnesium and potassium flow in the plant cells. In case of toxicity of calcium, magnesium and potassium flow will be reduced in plant cells. Examples of plant diseases by calcium deficiency: blossom end rot in tomatoes, leaf burn of cabbage and cauliflower, bitter pit in apples, black heart of celery. Blossom end rot in tomatoes, leaf burn of cabbage and cauliflower, bitter pit in apples, black heart of celery. Then magnesium. Magnesium symptoms appeared on older leaves, interveinal chlorosis. Mobile elements symptoms appear on older leaves, and in case of immobile elements symptoms appeared on younger leaves. Grassy tetany, a nutritional disorder of cattle. Cattle suffer from hypomagnesemia, abnormally low level of magnesium, and Sandron disease in tobacco. What are the diseases caused by or disorders caused by magnesium? Grassy tetany caused in cattle. Cattle suffer from hypomagnesemia, abnormally reduced level of magnesium, and Sandron disease in tobacco. Then sulfur disease appear on younger leaves, chlorosis of leaves, puckered older leaves. Brassicas are most susceptible to sulfur deficiency, curling of leaf margins. Which type of crops are most susceptible to sulfur deficiency symptoms? Brassicas. Micronutrients: iron, interveinal chlorosis on younger leaves, necrotic plants in severe cases, necrotic plants. Manganese, example, manganese interveinal chlorosis in dicotyledons. Example of diseases in plants caused by manganese: grey speck of oats, speckled yellow of sugar beet, marsh spot of peas, pahala blight of sugarcane, fretching of tung trees. In case of toxicity, crinkle leaf of cotton. So what are the diseases caused by manganese deficiency and manganese toxicity? Interveinal chlorosis in dicotyledons, grey speck in oats, speckled yellow of sugar beet, marsh spot of peas, pahala blight of sugarcane, fretching of tung trees, and in toxicity, crinkled leaves of cotton. Zinc appear first on 3 to 4 weeks old seedlings, reddish brown pigmentation on young leaves, interveinal chlorosis on young leaves, in dicotyledons, rosetting, short internodes and little leaf, reduce leaf expansion. Example: Khaira disease in rice, white bud of maize, mottle or little leaf or fretching citrus, little leaf of cotton. So zinc deficiency first occur on 3 to 4 weeks old seedlings, reddish brown pigmentation on young leaves, interveinal chlorosis on young leaves. In dicotyledons, rosetting means shortened internodes, and little leaf means reduced leaf expansion. Example of diseases caused by zinc deficiency: Chyra disease of rice, white bud of maize, mottle or little leaf, or frenching of citrus, mottle or little leaf or frenching of citrus, and little leaf of cotton. Copper deficiency: male flower sterility, senescence. Example: reclamation or white tip disease, necrosis of younger shoot tissues, dieback of citrus, gamosis and xanthomania of citrus. Toxicity: burn root tips, reduce iron, molybdenum, zinc, plant uptake, reduce branching. So copper deficiency, male flower sterility, senescence. Example: reclamation or white tip disease, necrosis of younger shoot tissues, dieback of citrus, gamosis and xanthomania of citrus. Necrosis of younger shoot tissues, dieback of citrus, gamosis and xanthomania of citrus in deficiency of copper. And toxicity: burn the root tips, reduce iron, molybdenum and zinc, plant uptake and reduce branching. Which plant elements? Iron, molybdenum and zinc plant uptake reduced is the toxicity symptoms of copper. Then molybdenum, nitrogen deficiency, chlorotic mottling and coupling of middle leaves of cauliflower, whiptail disease in cauliflower. Molybdenum, whiptail disease in cauliflower is caused by molybdenum. Nitrogen deficiency, chlorotic mottling and cupping of middle leaves of cauliflower. Then boron, first symptoms appear on terminal buds or youngest leaves. Example: heart rot of sugar beet and marigold, browning or hollow stem of cauliflower, top sickness of tobacco, internal cork of apple, hen and chicken disease of grapes. Boron first symptoms appear on terminal buds or youngest leaves. Examples of diseases caused by boron deficiency: heart rot of sugar beet and marigold, browning or hollow stem of cauliflower, top sickness of tobacco, internal cork of apple, hen and chicken disease in grapes. Chlorine, similar to manganese. Deficiency symptoms similar to manganese. Deficiency symptoms similar to manganese means interveinal chlorosis in dicotyledons. Wilting, curling and chlorosis of leaves. Wilting, curling and chlorosis. Nickel, reduce dry matter of plants, reduce amino acid content, increase nitrate content. Example: mouse ear leaf or little leaf diseases. Nickel, reduce the dry matter weight of plants, reduce amino acid content, increase the nitrate content. Example: mouse ear leaf. Mouse ear leaf or little leaf diseases. Critical range, range of nutrients in crops for optimum crop yields. Transition between nutrient deficiency and sufficiency. Range of nutrients in crops for optimum crop yields. Transition between nutrient deficiency and sufficiency. Nitrogen, total nitrogen of soil 0.02% to 0.144% in India. In India, total surface mineral soils. Nitrogen is 0.02% to 0.13%. Average concentration in plant tissues of nitrogen 1.5%. Phosphorus, soil 200 to 2000 kg per hectare in upper 15 centimeter layer of soil, average 1000 kg per hectare. Total in Indian soil 120 to 2166 milligram per kg or ppm. Average concentration in plant 0.2%. 15 centimeter layer. Potassium, soil potassium in 4 forms. Mineral potassium 0.5 to 2.5%. Non-exchangeable potassium 50 to 750 ppm. Exchangeable potassium 40 to 600 ppm or 1 to 3%. Solution potassium 1 to 10 ppm or 0.02 to 2%. What are the 4 forms of potassium? Mineral potassium, non-exchangeable potassium, exchangeable potassium and solution potassium. Average concentration of potassium in plant tissues 1%. Calcium in soil depends on regions. In non-calcareous soils of humid temperate regions 0.7 to 1.7% calcium. Highly weathered tropical soil 0.1 to 0.3%. Non-calcareous soil of humid temperate regions. Semi-arid and arid regions 1 to 30%. Average concentration in plant tissue 0.5%. Magnesium in coarse soil 0.1%. Textured soil 4%. In temperate region soil 5 to 50 ppm. Arid region 120 to 2400 ppm. Average concentration in plant tissue 0.2%. Sulfur optimum concentration for crops 3 to 5 ppm. In sandy soil less than 5 ppm have low organic matter. Sandy soil have low organic matter. In dry areas, sulfate ions less than 10% of total sulfate. Average concentration in plant tissues. In dry areas, sulfate ions less than 10% of total sulfur. Micronutrients zinc, soil surface 7 to 10,000 ppm. Average in soil surface 0.08 to 20.5 ppm. Average concentration in plant tissues 20 ppm. Copper surface soil 1.8 to 960 ppm. Trace element in surface layer 32 ppm. Average concentration in plant tissues 6 ppm. Iron surface soil 0.36 to 174 ppm. Total in surface soil 4000 to 2,73,000 ppm. Average in plant 100 ppm. Manganese average 0.60 to 164 ppm. Total 37 to 11,500 ppm. Average in plants 20 ppm. Boron total in surface soil 2.8 to 630 ppm. In plants 24 ppm. Average in plant tissues boron 20 ppm. In molybdenum total in surface soil 12 ppm. Average in surface soil 2.8 ppm. Average in plant tissues 0.1 ppm. Chlorine total in surface soil 20 to 1000 ppm. Average in surface soil 0.5 to 10 ppm and average in plant tissue 100 ppm. Nickel in plants 0.1 to 1 ppm. Average in plant tissue 0.1 ppm.